If you spend long hours at your desk like I do, working, editing, gaming, answering emails, you already know that a bad chair can really mess up your body. Neck pain, lower back fatigue, shoulder tension, numb legs. And honestly, that's why I want to try the S9 ergonomic chair. Because this isn't just another office chair that looks good. This one is clearly built around actual body support. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I've been using it in my home office for gaming and also just leaning back to relax. And I'll show you the features that actually made the biggest difference for me. The first thing I noticed with the S9 is that it feels like the chair is actually working with your body, instead of forcing you into one stiff sitting position. That's a huge deal, especially if you're sitting for long periods. A lot of chairs feel okay for the first 20 or 30 minutes, but after a few hours, you start slouching, your lower back gets tired, and your posture falls apart. It adapts to your position. It goes up and down. With this one, the support feels much more active, especially in the lumbar area. One of the biggest features here is the continuous active lumbar support. And this is probably my favorite part of this chair. When I lean forward, lean back, or even lean side to side, the lumbar support actually follows my movement. So instead of losing support every time you change position, the chair keeps your lower back contact much more consistently. That makes a huge difference during long editing sessions or even when I'm gaming for a while. It helps reduce that pressure in the lower back, and it also helps keep me from collapsing into a slouched position. The lumbar support also has adjustable levels, so you can dial it in depending on your height or how much support you actually want. And according to the specs, it's designed to fit users from around 5'5" to 6'3", so there's pretty good adjustment range there. Another thing I noticed right away is how adjustable the upper body support is. You get 360-degree rotating armrests that can also be flipped backwards, which is super useful depending on what you're doing. Really useful for gaming or when you're just typing at your keyboard and your wrists need some extra support. But the armrests also slide a little bit forward and backwards. So they spin 360, slide forward and backward, and tilt up.
They can also be raised or lowered.
And they also adjust when you recline. So if I'm in work mode and typing, I can position them to support my arms comfortably. If I'm gaming, I can adjust them differently for controller or mouse use. And if I just want more freedom of movement, I can flip them back out of the way. What's also cool is that the armrests recline in sync with the backrests. So when you lean back, your arms stay supported instead of just floating awkwardly. Up top, you also get a 3D headrest, and this helps support your neck a lot better than the basic fixed headrests. It goes up, down, and also swivels, which is a great feature depending on your location in the chair. So if you ever had that upper neck tension after sitting too long, this is one of those features you can really start to appreciate over time. Now let's talk about one of the most practical features, the one-touch adjustment system. This part is great because you can quickly switch modes without standing up. So depending on what I'm doing, I can move between different positions really easily. 105 degrees for focused work, 116 degrees for taking a quick break, and 130 degrees for relaxing. That's honestly how I've been using it in real life. When I'm editing or at my desk, I keep it more upright. If I'm between tasks, I recline a little bit. If I'm watching something, gaming casually, or just taking a break, then I lean it back a little bit more and let the chair support me. It also has the adjustable seat height and the seat depth, which helps a lot with getting the fit right. That's important because if the seat is too shallow or too deep, you can end up with one leg pressure or awkward posture. Another feature worth mentioning is the high tensile German mesh. And this is something I really like, especially if you sit for long hours. A lot of padded chairs can trap heat fast, especially in the seat and lower back area. This mesh feels very supportive, but it also allows more airflow. So here's a quick airflow test, because you could really see how that air passes through the material instead of getting trapped. But what I like most is that it doesn't feel overly soft or saggy. It feels really supportive. So you get that balance of support plus breathability, which is exactly what you want in an ergonomic chair. And compared to a more basic office chair, the difference is pretty obvious. Regular chair, I was slouching, shifting around, or just losing support. With the S9, the lumbar stays engaged, the arm positions feel a lot better, and the recline positions actually support different activities. That's a really big difference. This chair just feels much more adaptive. It's not just a chair that you sit on, it feels much more like a chair that adjusts with you. And if you're someone who works from home, studies for long hours, edits videos, or games a lot, that can make a very big difference day to day. One more thing I want to mention is the build quality below. You also get a slide out footrest. Slide it out, hold the button down, and look at that. Great for gaming or just relaxing. You can adjust it to different lengths. You've got an aluminum alloy base and silent PU wheels. So when you roll around your setup, it feels smooth, stable, and really quiet. That matters if you're moving around on hardwood floors or just don't want that loud, cheap wheel sound every time you shift positions. So overall, after using the S9 ergonomic chair in my home office for gaming and just for relaxing, I'd say the biggest strengths are the active lumbar support, the adjustable armrests, the headrest system, and how easy it is to switch between different sitting positions all throughout the day. It feels supportive, it feels breathable, and most importantly, it feels like it was designed for people who actually spend some serious time in a chair. If you deal with neck tension, arm fatigue, lower back pain, or just feel uncomfortable after long hours sitting, this is definitely one worth checking out. And that's my quick real-world take on the S9.